Mate. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Unpicking with Mishak Mate. So today I just want to talk about this fun fact. You may have realized that after General Mkhwanazi has addressed the nation in regard to the some of the political interference by the ANC people in the SAPS, Melema has not said a single word. And again, a lot of people now are saying, why is Julius Melema quiet on this matter? But I don't understand people, because if you really wanted Julius Melema to be your spokesperson or people's spokesperson, you should have voted for him last year on the 2024 national elections, because Melema doesn't really represent South Africa, he represents the EFF. So I don't understand this obsession of people now wanting Julius Melema to can comment on everything, even on the issues that doesn't include him or the EFF. Like you see, most of the people, when they are mistreated at their workplace, they want Melema to help them. Then they never want Ramaphosa to help them, or they don't harass the DA or say Ramaphosa to say, assist us to have this issue. We are experiencing racism at our workplace. But they always want to go to Julius Melema, even though when Julius Melema asks them to vote for him so that he can be the president of South Africa and can fix some of the things that continues to be horrible in South Africa, like we see with most workplaces where a lot of black people are being mistreated than their white counterparts. Like when you check, there are still a lot of companies that pays more white people than black, even when those two individuals are performing a same task. So you ask yourself, why can't you just vote for Julius Melema if you want him to represent you, unlike calling unto him to talk about issues that you want him to talk about, because you didn't vote for him, you didn't put him to be the president or to be the people's spokesperson. So if you really want Julius Melema to can address your issues, you need to vote for him and make him a president. That's when he will be able to talk about everything. But now, I think you guys are being unfair if you expect Julius Melema to can talk about everything or to can discuss what you want him to discuss, because you didn't vote for him to be the president. So he represents the EFF. He's not the president of the South Africa, but he's the president of the EFF. He speaks for the EFF. He represents the EFF. So yeah, please do remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more content. Thank you.
I came here not to please anyone. I'm here to speak the truth. Whether you like it or not, it's your own baby to feed Malta Bella. I'm not in the business of going around to please people. I only tell the truth. Now, I represent a non-racial organization, but we do not fight for white people. Why? Why should we fight for them? What do you want? What do they want? When you say you are fighting for all in South Africa, black and white, what do white people want? Except to want to remain